With just a little more than a week before the 2026 Assam Assembly election, the star campaigners have come out to play. And who better for the BJP in Assam than Union Minister for Shipping and Ports as well as former Chief Minister of the state, Sarbananda Sonowal. The minister kicked off campaigning with twin rallies in Barkola and Silchar ahead of the polls on April 9th. The Barak Valley is a major administrative and geographical region in southern Assam that borders Mizoram and Tripura to the south, Bangladesh and Meghalaya to the west, and Manipur to the east. It also cradles both of our stops in this episode, the Barkola and Silchar Assembly constituencies. One of the 126 assembly constituencies of Assam, as per the last census, Barkola has a total population of 2.01 lakh people. 95.42% of the population lives in rural areas, while 4.58% is urban. 14.73% of Barkola's population falls under the scheduled caste segment, with a nearly negligible percentage in the scheduled tribes. About 47.1% of the population is Muslim, while nearly 50% of the population is of the Hindu faith. Nearly 1.42 lakh people are eligible to vote in this election. In the 2021 Assembly elections, Barkola saw a voter turnout of 87.04%. Barkola has proven to be a stronghold for the Indian National Congress, with the Bharatiya Janata Party breaching it twice in 2006 and 2016 before the seat returned to the Congress. Now BJP's Kishore Nath, who had won the seat in 2016, returns to stake his claim. The sitting MLA is Congress's Misab-ul-Islam Lashkar, who previously won the seat twice, coming back for a third term in 2021 with a margin of just 5.7%. The BJP has begun its campaigning in all earnest, with Union Minister Sarbananda Sonowal roaring off to a big start. Arriving in Barkola, he underscored the party's vision of Samanyay, the integration of Barak, Brahmaputra, hills and plains, as the foundation of Assam's holistic development. Meanwhile, the Congress's decision to nominate Silchar-based physician Dr. Amit Kumar Kalwar, replacing sitting MLA and former minister Misab-ul-Islam Lashkar, has stirred some controversy. Moreover, the recent delimitation has reduced Barak Valley's assembly constituencies from 15 to 13, a shift expected to reshape political dynamics. In this episode of The Road Stop, Team NewsX travels with Union Minister Sarbananda Sonowal, arriving first in Barak Valley.
The team of NewsX, we are traveling not just on roads but across skies. Currently, we are heading towards the Barak Valley region of Assam to Silchar with Union Minister Sarbananda Sonowal. You can see we are traveling as the election is going on, and we are traveling with the star campaigners. The BJP has intensified its campaign, and not just in Guwahati but to all the remote areas of the state, and the star campaigners have been sent across different areas of the state as the campaign intensifies. The team of NewsX, we are traveling across the state to get you a ground reality of what is happening exactly on the ground as far as the Vidhan Sabha elections are concerned.
Campaigning is underway in full swing, with Union Minister Sonowal asserting his belief in a huge win for the BJP in Assam.
You're going to a region where you were the one person who was promoting it, Barak Valley, in every speech of yours when you were Chief Minister, and now also Barak Valley was on your mouth, and now you're going there. What is the mood right now in the election, and also your feeling going there?
Very bright, and people of the state is very much enthusiastic to bring BJP back to power because of the development and peace and tranquility. And above all, BJP in the last 11 years, under the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, whatever transformation he has brought to the life of the people of the region and the country, it is unique. commendable. That is why everyone is happy. All community, caste, community, religion, everyone is happy. And that is why they firmly believe that if BJP is there, development is there. BJP is there, bright future is there. So that is why BJP is the only choice.
We are going to be with Sonowal sir, and we are going to be traveling to Silchar. On the way, we are going to speak to him as well, and we are going to bring you all the latest ground reports from as we cover the elections in Assam.
दोनों घाटी को विकास के सिलसिले में जो सुनहरा मौका मिला है, इसके वजह से आज दोनों वैली जाग उठा है और असम को दुनिया देखने लगा है। और ये संभव इसलिए हुए है, पिछले दिनों में विशेष रूप से माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने असम और नॉर्थ ईस्ट को जिस हिसाब से ध्यान दिया, आदर किया, स्नेह किया, सहयोग किया, इसके वजह से आज सभी सेक्टर में आज दोनों प्रांत विशेष रूप से आज जाग उठा है और यहाँ की विकास की गति तेज होने लगा है।
आप सर कार्यकर्ता के साथ आप आइए, हम आपके साथ वेट कर रहे हैं। अब सोनोवाल सर ही इज गोइंग टू मीट हिज कार्यकर्तास हु आर वेटिंग फॉर हिम सिंस मॉर्निंग, and we are also going to trail him. We are going to be with him throughout the day as he interacts with his karyakartas who have been waiting for him since morning. And you can see here the kind of footfall, more than 10,000 people are expected here, and we are going to be with him. We are going to be accompanying him as he travels across the Barak Valley region and Silchar region. You can see here he is meeting and greeting with the people who are already waiting for him, and you can see here the leadership, BJP leadership, are all waiting for him. This is a very crucial area which has lot of important seats for the BJP, and the BJP has tried to hold the Barak Valley region. And you can see here the Union Minister Sarbananda Sonowal, who is also the star campaigner for the BJP. He is interacting with his karyakartas who are waiting here since morning, and this is going to be the mood of the coverage here as the BJP extensively campaigns across the state, and that is where we are showing you the ground situation.
As we arrived in Barkola, huge crowds gathered at the BJP's mega rally. The enthusiasm was palpable, with just a little over a week left before the elections. Getting to participate in the mega campaign, we also got the chance to speak with the BJP Barkola candidate, Mr. Kishore Nath.
मौजूद है हम अभी बोरकोला असम में सर्बानंद सोनोवाल यूनियन मिनिस्टर के साथ। वोट यात्रा पे आपका स्वागत है। हम अभी मौजूद है एक बीजेपी के सभा में। आप देख सकते हैं हजारों से भी अधिक, लाखों से अधिक लोग यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं। अभी ये एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण सीट है बीजेपी के लिए। 2016 और 2021 में बीजेपी का यहाँ पे एमएलए था 16 में, लेकिन 21 में वो हार गए थे। बीजेपी फिर से किशोर दास को मौका दे रही है, और आज यहाँ पे यूनियन मिनिस्टर सर्बानंद सोनोवाल जो असम के पूर्वी मुख्यमंत्री भी थे, वो यहाँ पे आज मौजूद हैं। और वोट यात्रा में हम असम को कवर कर रहे हैं पूरा ग्राउंड से। और आप देख सकते हैं मेरे पीछे जो एक समागम है, ये एक बड़ी रैली है जो बीजेपी से आई है यहाँ पे। और आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे लोग जो है अधिक रूप से आए हैं। यहाँ पे ये जो सीट है, यहाँ पे आप बंगाली लोगों के साथ साथ आप जो आदिवासी और इंडिजिनियस लोग हैं उनको भी आप देखेंगे। तो एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट सीट है, महत्वपूर्ण सीट है बीजेपी के लिए, और इसीलिए इसमें जोरदार कैंपेनिंग चल रहा है। और आप देख सकते हैं जो हैवी स्टार कैंपेनर्स है वो यहाँ पे आज मौजूद है कैंपेन करने के लिए। हमसे जुड़ने के लिए आपका स्वागत है। पहले आप अपना नाम और आपका कंस्टिट्यूएंसी का नाम बताइए सर।
सबसे पहले आपको इंडियन न्यूज को मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ। मैं किशोर नाथ हूँ, 117 बोरकोला कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी से। इस बार मैं प्रार्थी हूँ, और आज हमारा ये माननीय सर्बानंद सोनोवाल महोदय सेंट्रल मिनिस्टर, उनका एक प्रोग्राम है, और सुबह से इतना ज्यादा धूप के कारण लोगों को बैठने का थोड़ा तकलीफ हो रहा है, और हम लोग उसी को अरेंज कर रहा है कि इतना कड़ा धूप के लिए
ये भी लोग आ रहे हैं, लेकिन बहुत सारे लोग आए हैं।
लोग बहुत सारे हैं, कोई हजारों लोग अभी रास्ते में खड़े हुए हैं, हजार लोग अभी रास्ते में है। अभी उन लोग आ रहे हैं कि वो यहाँ में धूप में बैठ नहीं सक रहा, इसलिए पैर का नीचे वो गाछ के नीचे पैर के नीचे बैठा हुआ है।
इस टाइम आपको फिर से कैंडिडेट दिया जा रहा है।
इनका यहाँ का लोगों का दिल में के है जे हमारा आनंद, उनका एक था जे हमारा आनंद, असम का आनंद, सर्वानंद, इसलिए उनको देखने के लिए लोगों का भीड़ बहुत हुआ है। सारा भीड़ अभी पेड़ के नीचे उधर उधर खड़ा।
आप जब विधायक थे तभी मुख्यमंत्री थे और फिर से आपको टिकट नहीं मिला था, इस टाइम आपको फिर से मिल रहा है, तो आप कितना मोटिवेटेड है? क्योंकि पिछले बार आपका रिजल्ट यहाँ पॉजिटिव नहीं आया था पार्टी का, अभी इस टाइम क्या आप लोग नया कर रहे हैं ताकि और लोग आए और वोट दें?
हाँ, पिछले बार मुझे टिकट नहीं मिला, वो कोई बात, वो पार्टी का डिसीजन था। इस बार मुझे मिला है और पार्टी का लोगों का जो जनता का जो आशीर्वाद मुझे मिल रहा है, जो जनता का जो सपोर्ट मुझे दिख रहा है, उसी सपोर्ट से और आशीर्वाद से यही दिखाई दे रहा है मुझे कि मैं इस बार कॉन्फिडेंस है से मैं जीत के आऊंगा।
एक आखिरी सवाल, बराक ब्रह्मपुत्र का जो एक मिलन है, बीजेपी कहता है उनके आने के बाद उन्होंने ये मिलन को जो है बढ़ावा दिया है।
देखिए, ये हमारा माननीय केंद्रीय मंत्री सर्बानंद सोनोवाल जी, उन्होंने जो पहले हमारा असम का मुख्यमंत्री थे, उस समय उन्हें हमेशा कहते थे बराक ब्रह्मपुत्र पहाड़ बोयाम, तो उसी समय उन्हीं को पूरा चारों दिशा को लेके उन्होंने चला है और उसी का रिजल्ट आज का देखने मिल रहा है कि पूरा असम एक साथ में है। इसलिए हमारा केंद्रीय मंत्री सर्बानंद सोनोवाल जी को मैं तहे दिल से धन्यवाद देता हूँ।
With a successful campaign in Barkola, Union Minister Sarbanand Sonowal reflected upon his party's vision for the state before the onward journey.
सर, इतना लोग आए हैं आपसे मिलने और बराक में जो प्यार देख रहे हैं, बोल रहे हैं कि यही आदमी थे जिन्होंने बराक ब्रह्मपुत्र के बारे में सबसे कहा था। कैसा देखते हैं इस प्यार को सर? बात कर सकते हैं?
निश्चित रूप से हमारे जो भी बराक में हमारे प्यारे जो लोग हैं, सभी लोगों का बहुत बड़ा बीजेपी के लिए उनकी दिल में बहुत बड़ा जगह है और बीजेपी पर उनका बहुत विश्वास है, इसलिए उन्होंने हर चुनाव में हमें सपोर्ट देते आए।
आपके मित्र आपके साथ हैं?
हाँ, ये मित्र बहुत लड़ाकू है, बहुत पॉपुलर है, लोकप्रिय है यहाँ के।
Next stop, Silchar. The atmosphere remained charged as the campaign moved from one town to the next. For Union Minister Sonowal, the trip represented a homecoming. Having been the one to coin the Barack Brahmaputra slogan, pushing for a consolidation in the region, and the crowds responded appropriately. Assam's second largest city behind Guwahati in terms of population and GDP, Silchar was founded way back in 1832, especially because of its strategic location in the northeast of India. Silchar has a rich history, predating its establishment as the seat of the Manikya dynasty. It is also famous for its tea gardens and for being the birthplace of modern polo. Silchar is predominantly an urban seat with 85.08% urban electors and only 14.92% rural voters. 15.68% of the population falls under the scheduled caste category. About 86% of the population is Hindu, while 12.24% of the population is of the Muslim faith. Silchar witnessed a marginal decline of 1,848 voters in the final electoral roll for the 2026 Assembly elections and currently boasts of 2.11 lakh electors. In the 2021 Assembly elections, Silchar witnessed a voter turnout of 75.32%. With flat alluvial plains along the Barak River, Silchar is interspersed with swamps, streams and isolated small hillocks. The terrain supports tea cultivation, paddy farming and trade-related activities. Livelihoods in Silchar depend mainly on trade, services, education, small industries like paper making and tea box manufacturing, tea garden employment in the outskirts and agriculture. With 3 consecutive wins in the Assembly elections and 4 back-to-back leads with increasing margins, Silchar's love for the BJP is loud and clear. The Congress party, however, has shown its intent to regroup and revitalize its cadres by naming Abhijit Paul, the party's Kasher district unit president, as its candidate from the Silchar Assembly seat. Paul has been active in the Barak Valley region and has organized several successful party events. However, the task to snatch the seat from the BJP in the 2026 assembly elections is arduous as he faces off against BJP candidate Rajdeep Roy. As Team NewsX journeyed with Union Minister Sarbanand Sonowal to Silchar, large crowds awaited to greet the leader. We took part in another massive rally in the city, with the minister addressing the massive crowd.
We have just arrived at Silchar with Union Minister Sarbanand Sonowal and with his team of senior BJP leaders. MP Porimal Shuklabadhyay is also with there, and also Karnat Pukasta, Member of Parliament. This is a very crucial area, Barak Valley. A lot of important seats for the BJP, and star campaigner Union Minister Sarbanand Sonowal is actively camping here and looking into the ground reality. So far, we had attended a big rally in Borkhola constituency. Currently, we are at the heart of Barak Valley, Silchar, and it's a commercial place as well. A lot of Karyakartas are waiting there to welcome Union Minister Sarbanand Sonowal as he lands in. As he lands in the helicopter. We'll walk. Sir, Silchar, and a lot of crucial seats here. Congress is saying they are very strong in Barak Valley this time. What is the challenge for the BJP?
There is no challenge as such because the people of Barak Valley is very much happy because in the last 11 years, whatever development have taken place and whatever transformation they have seen, it is because Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi's wholehearted effort, and in the last 11 years, whatever initiative he has taken to promote, to focus, to showcase this backward region, it remained backward because of Congress misrule, corrupt practices, and neglectful attitude. But Honorable Prime Ministers have taken a challenge, whatever backward places in the country, because of the Congress misrule and corrupt practices, because of the Congress irresponsible governance. Honorable Prime Minister has taken a firm initiative and engaged all the systems so that he could promote, he could develop the entire backward region of the country to make India powerful in the world scenario. So that is the way he has taken the developmental scheme here, and the state government of Assam, under the direction of and leadership of Honorable Prime Minister, have worked day and night to promote Barak Valley in all sectors, whether in the medical institution, whether in the technical institution, whether road connectivity, waterways, air connectivity, and information highway, and also all the first-class train from Delhi to Silchar. That's the way he has developed the ecosystem, and out of which the almost 50 lakhs people of this valley is highly benefited. They are highly satisfied. Now they are ready to cast vote in favor of BJP to bring back BJP to power again.
अब बात कीजिए इस कार्यकर्ता से. So as you know that he is interacting with a कार्यकर्ता. They are waiting here since morning. They are part of the BJP unit in Barak Valley, Silchar, and you can see here he is interacting with all his karyakartas. This is what we are getting you live exclusive from the ground as we travel across the state and we show you the ground zero of what the political mood so far has been in the election. And with traveling with today with Sarbanand Sonowal, we have also got a glimpse of the ground reality as to what is the mood currently right here in the state. And as we go inside more and more rallies, we will be able to give you a sense of the mood on the ground. But currently, two constituencies we have already covered. One is Borkhola, one is Silchar, and what we have got so far tells you the story of Barak Valley. We are going to get inside the staff car and we are going to travel more to know more on the elections.
we are walking on the streets of Silchar town with Union Minister Sarbanand Sonowal. He is here in Barak Valley today attending 2 mega rallies and also Bakhanti Puja, which is also celebrated here in a big fan way. We are traveling across the length and breadth of Barak Valley with the contingent of Union Minister, and you can see here. सब फिर से कैसा मूड पिक कर रहे हैं आप?
मूड तो सबका पॉजिटिव है। सब लोगों ने तो बीजेपी को सत्ता में लाने के लिए एकत्रित हुई है और ये स्पष्ट हुई है। सारा असम के हर प्रांतों में, हर कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में ऐसा ही माहौल बन चुका है।
तो आप देख सकते हैं, this is the current situation right now in Barak Valley. A lot of people are waiting for this rally. We are going to also take you inside this BJP rally. You can see here the atmosphere, it's quite fanfare, and which is being seen here in Silchar today, and it's a big rally for the BJP as it tries to win all the seats here in Barak Valley, and we are going to show you inside as to the overall mood of the situation and also the ground reality as we take you inside the atmosphere in Barak Valley.
We once again headed to a massive rally being held by the Union Minister in Silchar as he arrived to show his support for the BJP candidate in this key constituency.
The Union Minister Sarbanand Sonowal entering this rally. He is being welcomed by the BJP leadership here in Barak Valley. We also have MP Porimol Sukrabarty here waiting for him, and also the local MLAs all are waiting for here as he gets a grand welcome in this rally here in Barak Valley. And this is a very important rally as far as the BJP is concerned. We are going to show you the behind the scenes here. You can see a lot of people waiting here already in this rally. There is significant footfall as the BJP tries to make inroads into the grassroots of Barak Valley, and as they go for the third time. Remember 2016 Sarbanand Sonowal was the Chief Minister of Assam, and now he's the Union Minister. He has significant following in Barak Valley because it was him who started this narrative of Barak, Brahmaputra, Pahar, Bhoyam. That narrative united both the valley and the plains, and that is what we are witnessing here as we cover this particular rally.
We also got to speak with the BJP Silchar candidate, Dr. Rajdeep Roy, who reflected upon his party's vision for the state.
Candidate के साथ खुद केंद्र मंत्री सर सिलचर से ये कॉन्टेस्ट कर रहे हैं। कैसा आपने अभी सभा किया, कैसा आपको लगा?
जबरदस्त जीत होगा क्योंकि डॉक्टर राजदीप रॉय पहले भी काम कर चुका है और बहुत सफलपूर्वक संसद की भूमिका उन्होंने निभाया है, और विधायक के रूप में भी उन्होंने अगले दिनों में सिलचर की जनता को इंसाफ दिलाएंगे, और बहुत मेहनती है और सफल एक नेता है, और उनकी जो रेपुटेशन है हाईएस्ट लेवल पर बहुत जबरदस्त।
केंद्रीय मंत्री स्टार कैंपेनर आपके कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में जब आते हैं, कैसा आप एक मोटिवेशन आता है जितने कार्य करता है?
आपने आज देखा है इतना मतलब लोगों में जोश है, उमंग है, विशेष करके इनको लेके भी जो माहौल आज हमने देखा है। श्री सर्बानंद सोनोवाल जी पहले हमारे मुख्यमंत्री रह चुके, अभी बहुत माननीय गुरुत्वपूर्ण उसमें डिपार्टमेंट में कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर है। उनके लिए लोगों का मन में भावना है, जो उन्होंने बोला है कि बराक, ब्रह्मपुत्र, पहाड़, भोयाम, वो आज एक टर्म कॉइन हो गया, वो इट इज़ बिन गिवन ए कॉपीराइट टू सर्बानंद सोनोवाल जी। तो इसमें क्या है, दो वैली का जो मिलन है, जो वैली का जो प्रेम, हाँ, तो ही इज द क्रिएटर ऑफ दैट, ही इज द स्टोरी राइटर, स्क्रिप्ट राइटर ऑफ दैट।
All the best.
थैंक यू।
Some closing words by the BJP stalwart in Assam as our journey came to a close following a long day of campaigning.
It was a long, hectic day, but it is very obvious in elections. Usually you have to go so many areas. One thing before I want to leave you, see, you have been the chief minister, you have led the state. Now you have transformed Brahmaputra into a commercial hub, which people have appreciated. But the opposition sometimes uses you to create controversy, to create sometimes problems within the BJP, which they have time and again stated that Sarbanand Sonowal is now out of the election campaign. But today we went with you, we visited a lot of areas. How do you respond to these kind of allegations, especially made by Gaurav Gogoi, your colleague?
Actually, like Congress, there is a lost credible force in the state, across the country also. That is why they have been rejected by the people, they become like the failure altogether, because in the long regime of Congress in the state of Assam and also in the country, so they have failed to meet the most essential demands of the people of the state, and rather by bringing corrupt practices to the system, they have polluted the whole kind of government policy, program and initiative during their regime. So as a result, the commoners become the victim of their misrule, corrupt practices, malpractices. So that is why they are now frustrated. They are just searching out like some point or way out, how to reach to the people, and what issue they will choose. But now they are trying to take my name, and this is not a strategy or election politics, because I am already committed, as a soldier of BJP. I am always there for any kind of initiative required for the party, for the interest of the nation. I am always there. I am always active, not only as a minister of port, shipping, waterways, and also the member of the parliamentary board and election committee, and whatever we have party program across the state of Assam, the district level, mandal level, booth level, state level. I am always there. So no point making assessment.
एक आप हमें एस्टिमेशन देके जाइए कितना सीट्स भाजपा और एनडीए मिला के और भाजपा अकेले.
देखिए, मैं तो I'll stick to my original number, because I firmly believe that it is close to 100 with allies. Yeah. BJP
एलाइज में
allies.
सब कुशल मंगल, एलाइज में
सब कुशल मंगल है.
हाँ, आपके तो एजीपी वाले भी आपके बहुत अच्छे मित्र हैं.
हाँ.
आप वहाँ से आए थे तो कैसे?
देखिए, एक बात है, AGP, BPF and BJP, we could able to develop our most kind of viable working relationship. So as a result, we are going to get the best out of the people of Assam.
That's all for the Road Stop and NewsX. Keeps watching us for non-stop election coverage.
With campaigning in full swing in the lead up to the Assam Assembly elections, many interesting battles are shaping up across the region. Who takes the lead now is up for debate. But for now, we show you a glimpse of the atmosphere ahead of the polls. That's all from us in this episode of the Assam Road Stop.